Good morning. It's Friday, the 17th May 2024, and it is Vijay here. The pre-market commentary for this day and a recap of what happened yesterday. Now, yesterday was one of those days which people will remember for a very, very long time. It has happened in the past, but very infrequently. But nevertheless, yesterday was something which should keep the authorities on their toes and probably come up with some restrictions on how options are traded, especially the weekly settlement. I've titled this as Tarzan and Jane market. The reason being that hedge funds, global hedge funds like Jane Street, have entered India, and they are capitalizing on the retail investors' avarice towards making quick money, especially in the weekly options. SEBI has done a study which says more than 90% of the people lose money in options, and more than 98% of the people are still losers because the 8% are just breaking even. So only 2% make money. And Indian market is the largest options market in the world. Something which we need not be proud of, because that also means Indians are the biggest losers in the world, with 98% of the people not making any money. So you have these large hedge funds like Jane Street who come in through their algos and suddenly create havoc, and the call writers and the put writers, like basically the option traders, would not know what to do because it happens too sudden. For instance, somewhere during yesterday's early part of the day, Bank Nifty fell 700 points within seconds. Now, where will you put your stop loss? Whether they'll get triggered, we do not know. So yesterday was an epic battle between two set of strong people. Only one could have watched with awe and despair, because the kind of destruction which was caused in the market in terms of price action was quite severe. Just consider this. Yesterday, Nifty, the movement was about 1150 points. That is high, low, high, low, high, low, 2-3 times during the day. 1150 points. Nifty did about 350 points from the low to the high, and 300 points came in the last half an hour. Just imagine that. Though Bank Nifty generally is more volatile than Nifty, but Bank Nifty did about 700 points from the low to high. Not much of movement there. The broader market was steady. It looked like as if they were in another world, and here is fighting going on in another world. So that is a cause for concern. So the traders behaved like Tarzan, going this side, that side. So if you look at my thumbnail, you'll see Tarzan and Jane, and you'll see some bear also dancing. So bears dance in the beginning. At the end, I think they got slaughtered. So this is, I think, what would happen is a lot of people would be thrown out of the market if this happens more frequently. And the surprising thing was that it is not that huge volumes were there. Yesterday's volume was about 117 lakh crores, which is par for 1,17,000 crores, which is par for course, because typical volumes have been above 110,000 crores. So it is not that something very big was happening. It was just the price movement based on a few triggers here and there, which caused all this havoc. Now, coming to what happened in the global markets, Europe was down through the day. The US markets tried to go up, and I think at the end they all came down. But that is par for the course, because I think they've been going for 12 days. And today is the settlement there, which is very crucial, because the options get settled today. And so there will be a lot of volatility today. But we also have to contend that we are going to have a special session on Saturday, because Monday is a trading holiday because of the elections which are due in Maharashtra, specifically Mumbai. So therefore, you will see one more day tomorrow, but it will be a reduced session. But nevertheless, it is there. So now what else happened yesterday? The DXY, oil, and the precious metals were steady. Silver has crossed the important resistance of 29.5, and we should sometime see it crossing 30. Friday is a bad day for precious metals, because somewhere the big guys come and smash it. So maybe Monday will give us a better picture of where silver is going to go. Then you have yesterday quite a few companies reported. Hindustan Aeronautics really reported fantastic results, and whether it's baked in the price or not, we will know now. But it's very good results. Mahindra and Mahindra also reported very good results, and Biocon, which we hold, was very disappointing. I don't know why. Probably we'll hear from the management today. So that is what happened. And today, Asia is mixed as we go into trade. Japan is down by about 150 points. Hang Seng, which was down in the dumps then till October, till last year, has now started climbing every single day, almost every single day. Gift Nifty is showing a gap up of 15 points, but I don't know how the market will trade, because generally you have the calm before the storm. Now probably we probably had the storm yesterday, so we may have a calming day today because many people will be nursing their wounds. So we have to see. Yesterday PSU Bank Index was the only index which closed in negative, led by Canara Bank and SBI. Canara Bank dropped by 5%, SBI dropped by 1.5%. Today maybe they'll perk up. I think that could be one area to look at. Then capital goods are also topping out for the intermediate term. Then you may have some perking up on ITC, because next week is their dividend declaration. So you may see some steadiness in FMCG, specifically led by ITC. So what we are going to do today is going to be very, very stock specific, and wait and trade less today, because I don't know whether volatility will return. It is better to be safe than sorry. But whatever you do today, hope you are profitable. Thank you for joining me.